Creating a SurveyMonkey account is a straightforward process that can be beneficial for online businesses looking to gather feedback from their audience. By collecting data on preferences and areas for improvement, businesses can tailor their products and services to meet the needs of their customers. To sign up, simply visit the SurveyMonkey website and enter your email address or use an existing account from Microsoft, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, or Apple. Once you've entered your email address, you'll be prompted to create a password and confirm it. After setting up your account, SurveyMonkey will ask a few questions about how you plan to use the service. But you can skip these if you prefer. You'll then be directed to your dashboard, where you can start building surveys from scratch, use templates, or utilize AI-powered tools. SurveyMonkey offers various pricing plans, including team, individual, and enterprise options, with differing levels of responses per year. For example, the $39 monthly plan allows for up to 15,000 responses annually, while the $300 annual plan is limited to 2,500 responses per year. By following these simple steps, you can create a SurveyMonkey account and start gathering valuable feedback from your audience.